What's up, everyone? This is Scott with PWWcards.com, Prestige Worldwide Sports and Cards. We're getting ready to do a 5-box break of 2020 Panini Phoenix Football. Here are our 5 boxes in all their Phoenixy glory. So, good luck to everybody. Here we go. All cards do ship, so try to move through the packs at least at some nice flip. If you would like shipping insurance, signature confirmation, or magnetic case one touch, you can get that at our website, pwwcards.com. That's pwwcards.com. Box number 1, here we go. All right, Rodgers, Minshew, Trayvon Diggs, pink. That one's numbered to 199. Dummy card. Hot Routes, Debo Samuel, and a Xavier McKinney. This is the first break of 4 tonight. Got more coming up Saturday and Sunday as well. Beckham, Kittle. There's a Josh Allen. That one is numbered to 175. Baker, Flamethrower, base. And a Joe Burrow, Joey B base. Very nice. Tyler Boyd, another Baker Mayfield. That one has all kinds of colors. That one's not numbered, though. Debo Samuel, that one is numbered to 75. Jalen Reagor, and a T. Higgins. There's a Reagor, hot routes. Hot routes, Wilson, Derrick Henry, Jason Huntley, that one's numbered to 149. Hot routes, Keenan Allen base, and a Josh Uche, maybe, for the Pats. Adam Thielen, Mitch Trubisky. There's a Pat Mahomes. What is that? An orange, numbered to 99. Very nice. Going out to Kansas City. Brian F. That's a cool insert there. Pat Mahomes. We got some thick sleeves. That's silly. Jordan Love, rookie rising base, and an Antonio Gibson rookie. Josh Allen, Leonard Fournette, Zach Moss, that's a red, numbered to 299. Game over, Adam Vinatieri and Desmond Patman. Roethlisberger, pinwheeling it. Julian Akwara, it's not numbered. Flamethrower, Ben Roethlisberger, that one's actually numbered to 299. Hot Routes, Mike Evans. And a Jeff Okuda. DK Metcalf. Look at there. How about an En Fuego CeeDee Lamb? Boom. Look at that. That's going out to none other than the man, the myth, the legend, Kent. There you go, Kent. CeeDee Lamb En Fuego. Nice hit. Andre Johnson, that one's numbered to 199. And then a rookie memorabilia Cole Kmet. That's going out to the Chicago Bears. And it is numbered to 100. Chicago. That's going to be Ricky C. There you go. Jalen Hurts. A.J. Brown, Stephon Gilmore, purple Alshon Jeffrey, numbered to 149. Flamethrowers, Dan Marino, that's base, and a Jeffrey Chin. Julian Edelman, Kirk Cousins. There's a Colin Johnson orange. That one's numbered to 99. Colin. Flamethrower Stafford base. Chase Claypool rookie base. Sutton Bosa. There's a Tampa Tom of the red variety. That one's numbered to 299. And then what do we got here? Look at this. A little Boomer Esiason Joe Burrow dual relic auto. Boom. Going out to the Cincinnati Bengals. Ryan B. Ryan. How about that? Nice 3-color prime patch there for Joey B. And then the single color patch for Boomer. Congrats on that. That one. Let me get it in the sleeve, and then we'll... That one is numbered 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Congrats. Quez Watkins. Man, this box alone has been awesome. Still got 4 other boxes. DJ Chark. Jalen Ramsey. There's a Flamethrowers Joe Burrow, and that one's actually numbered 2 out of 25. Another nice SP hit for the Bengals. Ryan B. Ryan, congrats. That's coming to you. Troy Aikman, Fire Forged, and an Anthony McFarland Jr. Might take that, I don't know. I'm trying to get to the Super Bowl COVID style. Might not have a lot of people to interview. All right. Box number 2 coming at us. Waller Brady. There's a Willie Gay Jr. That one's numbered to 75. Going out to KC. And the Sunshine Band. Devontae Parker and AJ Epinesa. Hollywood Brown base. Devontae Adams. Van Jefferson, red, numbered to 299. And then numbered to 99, it's a pink Albert O. Albert, I hardly knew you. Denver Broncos, Brian C. Brian, there you go. That's coming your way. Jake Fromm. Nick Chubb, Keenan Allen. There's a Keenan Allen pink. And that's numbered to 199 for the Chargers. Then we have a Zach Moss, Rising Rookie. Rising Rookie with the ball relic. Auto going out to the Buffalo Bills and Kevin H. That one is numbered to 149. Congrats. All right. Cam Akers, base. Alshon Jeffrey, Tyler Johnson, rookie. Hot Routes, Keenan Allen, and that one's numbered to 299. Then a Flamethrower Tua base, and a Donovan Peoples-Jones rookie base. Khalil Mack, Devin Singletary. There's a Noah I, numbered to 149. Dummy card. Michael Thomas, Hot Routes, and a Michael Pirine base. Tyreek Hill, Deshaun Watson, then a Peyton Manning Flamethrower. That one's numbered to 149. And then how about this? A little Veteran Materials. Wow. Gold vinyl, NFL Shield. Aaron Jones, boom! Going out to the Green Bay Packers, 1 of 1. Abby L, there you go. How about that? Gold vinyl NFL Shield. Dang, these 2 boxes are crazy. It's Michael Hasty. That's kind of a letdown after that. Larry Fitz, Danny Jones, Alvin Kamara red. That's numbered to 299. Fireforge Champ Bailey, Javon Jennings. Chris Godwin, Xavier Howard. There's a Chris Carson, yellow /75. Game over, Larry Fitzgerald, and a Noah I. Derwin James, Miles Sanders. There's a Jerry Jeudy pink. That one's numbered /199. Darren Waller and a Chase Young base. Matty Ice, DK Metcalf. Game over, Damian Williams. That one's numbered /175. Flamethrowers, Ryan Tannehill and a Christian Fulton. Matt Stafford, Travis Kelce, Amari Cooper purple. That's numbered /149. Dummy card, Henry Ruggs, rookie rising base. Anthony Gordon, base rookie. David Johnson. Ooh, look at that. Pat Mahomes with that little, I don't know what they call that, little 3-color variation there. Pretty cool. Russell Wilson, Flamethrowers pink, numbered /199. Game over, Julio Jones and Clavon Chason. All right. On to the next box. Maybe. All right. Pack 1 of box 3. Tyreek Hill, Deshaun Watson. There's a Christian McCaffrey with that aqua color, numbered /175. Dummy card. Matt Stafford, Flamethrowers base. Jonathan Taylor, rookie base. Mark Ingram. There's a Ryan Fitzpatrick with that tricolor. Tua Flamethrower. That looks purple, so it's numbered /149. Going out to Miami and John. Congrats. Fire Forwards, Troy Aikman. Quintez Cephas on the base. Slapping the base. Aaron Jones, Max Crosby. There's a Albert O. pink, numbered /199. And then we have a Xavier McKinney auto. Xavier McKinney auto going out to the New York Giants. And that's John J. John, congrats. That's coming to you. That one's not numbered. Lynn Bowden Jr. Chris Carson, Baker Mayfield. And then how about this? Little Gabriel Davis with the cracked ice look there. Numbered 47/50. 47/50 going out to Buffalo and Kevin H. Kevin, congrats. That's coming to you. Game over, Zach Ertz and a Nate Stanley base. Got a thicky coming up. Tyrod Taylor, Carson Wentz, and a Michael Thomas. That's red, numbered /299. And then going out to the Eagles, how about that? A little 3-color dual patch of Jalen Hurts. Very nice. Going out to the Eagles, Bo S. Bo, congrats. That's coming your way. 4-color patch. I said 3-color. 4-color on there, numbered /35. Nice hit there. And a Javon Kinlaw. There's a guy you don't see every pack. David Montgomery, AJ Terrell, Dan Marino Flamethrower. Oh, that one's actually numbered /175. Hot Routes, Tyler Lockett, and a Jerry Jeudy base. Kelsey Johnson. How about a Nate Stanley red, numbered /299. Jordan Love, rookie rising base, and a CeeDee Lamb base. Marquise Brown, Devontae Adams, Look at that. Joe Burrow, rookie rising with that greenish seafoam color, whatever it is. Numbered to 175, going out to Cincinnati and Ryan B. Ryan, congrats. That's coming to you. Oh, yeah, lock it. I'm supposed to get more excited, right, Kent? And then we have for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, it's Keyshawn Vaughn, rookie jumbo relic. That one's numbered to 75 and going out to Tampa Bay. Tampa is Kent. Kent, congrats. It's coming your way. And Jalen Johnson. Well, with the Burrow and the gold vinyl and the Fuego, it's kind of hard to get excited about Lockett. I have to say a Lockett base at least. Waller, Brady, Xavier Howard. That one's numbered to 75. Xavier Howard, numbered to 75. Game over. Adam Vinatieri and Michael Pittman Jr. Chubb, Allen. Oh, look at that. Ryan Fitzpatrick with the cracked ice. Numbered to, what is that, 50. Numbered to 50. Going out to Miami and John D. Congrats. Hot Routes, Mike Evans, and a Darnell Mooney base. Oh, I know you are. I just have to remind myself to be excited. Alshon Jeffrey, Khalil Mack. Henry Ruggs, purple, numbered to 149. Flamethrower, Baker Mayfield base, and a James Captain Morgan. Devin Singletary. Frank Clark, a Tua Rising rookie red, and that one's numbered to 299, going out to Miami. John D. It's a nice Tua insert there. Hot Route, Jalen Rieger, and a Devin Asiasi. All right, 2 boxes still to go. Those first 2 boxes were so hot. Maybe we can pick it back up here in the 4th box. We have more football coming up. Look for that on Saturday and Sunday. Already on our eBay store. More breaks plus will be listing next week as well. Tyler Boyd, Russell Wilson, David Montgomery, numbered to 175. Lamar Jackson, flamethrower base, and a Raekwon Davis. Derrick Henry, Julian Edelman. There's a Melvin Gordon, numbered to 35. Nice SP there for the Broncos. Tyreek Hill, Hot Routes, and an A.J. Dillon base. Kirk Cousins, Cortland Sutton. There's an Asiasi red, numbered to 299 for the Pats. Jared Goff, flamethrowers base, and a Jake Luton. I think he's starting this week, isn't he? Bosa, Juju Smith-Schuster, Jason Witten, game over. Fire Forged, Brett Favre, and Joshua Kelly. Oops. DJ Chark, Juju Smith-Schuster, Russell Wilson red, numbered to 299. Game over, Drew Brees, and a Javon Jennings base rookie. Drew Brees, Le'Veon Bell with that tricolor. Hot Routes, Amari Cooper. That one is numbered to 299. Hot Routes, Deebo Samuel, and a Noah I. I don't know how to say his name. McCaffrey lock. There's a Colin Johnson purple, numbered to 149. And then how about this little throwback action? It's a Willie McGinnis for the New England Patriots. Willie McGinnis auto jersey relic going out to, let's see, who had the Pats? Sarah W. That one is numbered 39 out of 50. It's a game-worn material. Very nice. Chase Young base. Debo, AJ Green, Joe Reed, orange, numbered to 99. Flamethrowers, another Dan Marino, and a Christian Fulton. Jalen Ramsey, Ryan Tannehill, and DJ Chark. We got a redemption. Anthony Gordon's behind the redemption. Our redemption is RPS rookie auto dual jersey orange, LaMichael Pirine. I believe that's Jets, right? That would be PJ. Cam Newton, Desmond Patton. Game over, Larry Fitzgerald. That one's actually numbered to 99. Then a Jordan Love rookie rising base and a Clavon Chason. Dalvin Cook, Melvin Gordon. There's a Jerry Jeudy Aqua, numbered to 175. Dummy card. Game over, Adam Vinatieri and Jake Fromm. Got a thicky here. Let's see. Let's bring that to the front. AJ Epinesa, Dak Prescott, Adrian Peterson. Then they got a pink Juju Smith-Schuster. Let's see. That one is numbered to 199. And then our hit is a T. Higgins rookie memorabilia 2-color relic going out to Cincinnati and Ryan B. Ryan, congrats. That one's numbered 17 out of 50. All right, last box. Good luck to everybody. Again, thanks for breaking with us. We do appreciate it. As always, if you would like shipping, insurance, signature confirmation, or a magnetic case, head on over to pwwcards.com. Pick it up there. Also have personal boxes and things of that nature there, so you can check those out. Good luck on this last box. Here we go. Jalen Ramsey, Minka Fitzpatrick, Peyton Manning Flamethrowers. This one looks numbered to 299. Russell Wilson Flamethrowers and another Chase Young base. Tannehill Newton, Ben Roethlisberger. That's a red, numbered to 299. Dummy card, Jerry Jeudy rookie rising, and Christian Fulton. Dalvin Cook, Max Crosby with tricolor. Deebo Samuel blue. That one's numbered to, what is that? 35. Game over, Patrick Peterson and then Anthony Gordon. Melvin Gordon, Dak Prescott. There's a Darrington Evans red, numbered to 299. And then for the Seahawks, a Darrell Taylor. Seattle, Sam C. Sam, congrats. Darrell Taylor. Clavon Chason. We see him about every other pack. Adrian Peterson, Teddy Bridgewater, DeAndre Smith blue, numbered to 35. Nice SP on that. Hot Routes, Keenan Allen, and a Jake Fromm. All right. Epinesa, Kenyon Drake, Jimmy G, Jalen Ramsey, numbered to 175. And then our next hit is an Antonio Gibson. Barely squeaking in the second color there. 2-color RPA. Yellow. That one is numbered to 75, going out to Washington. And Ricky C. Congrats. Julian Edelman. There's a Justin Herbert base. Then we got another Joe Burrow. This is an aqua colored, numbered to 175. Man, a lot of Joe Burrows in this break. Ryan B. Congrats on that. Justin Jefferson and a Raekwon Davis. Kirk Cousins, Cortland Sutton, CJ Henderson, aqua, numbered to 175. Dummy card. Mike Vick, flamethrower, and A.J. Dillon. Nick Bosa, DJ Chark. There's a Darren Waller. That one's numbered to 199. Then our hit, we have another. This is an A.J. Dillon Jumbo Relic. Going out to the Green Bay Packers. Abiel. Congrats. That one's numbered to 75. And then we have a Jake Luton. Smith-Schuster, Drew Brees. There's a Baker Pink, numbered to 199. Fireforge, Jerry Rice, Joshua Kelly. McCaffrey, Locke. There's a Daniel Jones, numbered to 25. Wow. Game over, Jason Witten, and a Javon Jennings base. All right, last pack. Deebo Samuel, AJ Green. There's a Jordan Love Pink, 199. Very nice break for Packers there. Stephon Diggs and a Noah I base. That does it for the break, guys. Thanks so much. We'll get those shipped out to you here shortly after the weekend. And look forward to breaking in with you soon. Hope you have a good night, great weekend, and stay safe. Peace.